what's the issue? I don't even really know if I miss you. How you roll, what's the issue? I don't even really know if I miss you.
Zuri, I see you, what up?
How you roll, what's the issue? I don't even really know if I miss you. I've been riding around town trying to get with you. I don't know if I want you more than just to kiss you. Do you know what I'm into? A lot of people I show love to, I lend to, but still not a single one that I could vent to. Man, I'm done with all this love that I've been through. And you know that I'ma take a pic, I'm feeling like I'm Kodak. Just like Kodak, yeah, I really do the most, yeah. I'ma pull up with the gang, you know we roll that, yeah. I'ma roll it up, got me thinking in my mind just like a coroner. Every day a new place, feel like a foreigner. I'm all high up in the sky, you know I'm touring, yeah. There's a lot of females that I thought I'd never lose. A lot of friends I never thought I'd have to pick and choose. That's just the life of living young, you gotta stick and move. Just gotta keep on pushing forward, don't just live on cruise. There's a lot of things that I had to go and prove to the world, not just to him or her or me or you. Change my mind to see the world with a different view. I'm not living just to die, just to make it through. How you roll, what's the issue? I don't even really miss you. I've been riding around town, I'm just trying to get with you. Do you know what I'm into? A lot of people that I lend to, lot of love that I lend to, but not a single one that I could go invent to.